Is the Wi-Fi icon missing from your Windows taskbar and you can't connect to the internet? Even when you open the system tray, the Wi-Fi icon doesn't appear. Don't worry. This is a common Windows 11 problem and it's easy to fix. I'll show you 5 simple steps to bring the Wi-Fi icon back. Before we start fixing anything, let's quickly confirm whether this problem is related to hardware or software. Click on the search bar, type command prompt and open it. Inside command prompt, type ping 127.0.0.1 and then press enter. If you receive replies, Windows networking is working properly. This confirms it's a software issue and we can fix it using the steps in this video. Let's begin with the easiest solution. Step 1. Check Wi-Fi and airplane mode. Right-click the Start button and select Settings. Go to Network and Internet. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on and airplane mode is turned off. After doing this, check your taskbar and see if the Wi-Fi icon appears. If the Wi-Fi icon is missing, that's okay. Let's move to the next step. Step 2. Restart the WLAN AutoConfig service. Windows uses this service to manage wireless connections. If this service stops, the Wi-Fi icon can disappear. Press Windows key plus or type services.msc and press enter. In the services window, simply start typing WLAN in the name column to quickly locate the WLAN AutoConfig service. Double-click it and make sure the startup type is set to automatic and the service status is running. If it's already running, click stop, wait a few seconds and then click start again. Click apply, then OK, close the window and check if the Wi-Fi icon has returned. Step 3. Enable the Wi-Fi adapter. In many cases, the Wi-Fi icon disappears because the wireless adapter is disabled. Type Control Panel in the search bar and open it. Go to Network and Sharing Center, then click Change Adapter Settings. If you see the Wi-Fi adapter, right-click it. If it's disabled, click Enable. If it's already enabled, disable it once and then enable it again. This step alone often fixes the problem. Step 4. Perform a network reset. In Windows 11, network settings can sometimes become corrupted after updates. A network reset can fix this issue. Right-click the Start button and open Settings. Go to Network and Internet, then click Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down and select Network Reset. Click Reset Now, then confirm by clicking Yes. Your computer will restart automatically. After the restart, you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network by entering the password again. If the Wi-Fi icon is still missing, let's move to the final step. Step 5. Reinstall the Wi-Fi driver. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters and locate your Wi-Fi adapter. The name may vary depending on your system, such as Intel or Realtek. If you're not sure which adapter it is, open command prompt and type ipconfig/all, then press enter. Scroll down to Wireless LAN Adapter Wi-Fi and note the adapter name in the description. Go back to Device Manager. If you cannot find the Wi-Fi adapter in Device Manager, go to the View menu and select Show Hidden Devices to check if it is hidden. Right-click the adapter. If it's disabled, click Enable. If it's already enabled, disable it once and then enable it again. If the issue still isn't fixed, right-click Wi-Fi adapter and select Uninstall device. Restart your computer and let Windows reinstall the driver automatically. After restarting, the Wi-Fi icon should appear and available networks should show up. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Fix My Windows PC for more simple and effective Windows fixes.